Good evening. My name is John-Idiagbonya, Brandman student, and I'll be presenting my concept and theory presentation today on Betty Newman's systems theory and evidence-based practice. For overview of Betty Newman's theory is a nursing theory that views human interaction with their environment as a cause of stressors, that each person is surrounded by internal and external forces. Stressors also, according to Betty Newman's theory, they're also known as forces, can be either intrapersonal within the person, interpersonal within persons, and extrapersonal within the person and their environment. Also, um, according to this theory, holistic care is considered as a type of care that looks at the client as a system. The client and their family, their interaction is all considered as a whole system, and care is delivered either at the primary, secondary, or tertiary level of prevention. Now, prevention can either be primary, where the disease or the condition or injury has never occurred, and we are just intervening to ensure that it does not occur. At the secondary level, the condition is being screened for to find out if there are potential risk or chances that such disease or condition could occur, and then provide interventions that are appropriate at that level. Or at the tertiary level, where the condition or the disease has occurred and intervention is being provided to manage the situation to prevent deterioration or complications from occurring. Now, the client's system, according to Newman's theory, is divided into 5 subsystems, which includes constitutes of physiological, psychological, social, cultural, spiritual, and developmental subsystems. And based on this theory, the nursing process is what is used to deliver care. Now, the nursing process in this theory is divided into 6 categories: the assessment, the diagnosis, goal setting, planning, implementation, and evaluation. Now, for this, the application of this theory into the health issue that is being dealt with in this CSP project, which is for prevention, we will be looking at assessment, assessing the client, if their fall history or their potential risk for fall. I'll be looking to identify stressors or their risk based on the data, and this will be communicated with the client. We'll also look at goals that we can set together with the client to ensure safety and stability. And this is done by looking at modifiable risk factors to adjust them to prevent falls. And then we will generate a plan of defense, how we can be strengthened to resist the stressors, and then implement these plan at either the primary, secondary, or tertiary level, and of course evaluate the implementation to determine how effective it was. In understanding this theory, each person's experience is unique, so their plan of care should be designed accordingly. And advocating for the client is a part of a very supportive role that the nurse practitioner plays in providing holistic care that is evidence-based. Research and the family's experience, the client's experience, when it comes together with the practitioner's wisdom, evidence base is generated for clients' improvement. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.